Everyone is doing well. Today's target is to understand how to create a combo box in Excel. What is combo box? First, we will try to understand it. Let's say you want to ask question in a file where there are several answers at the same time. For example, you want to ask, are you happy? So now there are several possible answers in this case. Like you want your audience to say yes, or it may be possible someone wants to say no, or it may be possible right now they have no certain answer and they may call it as they don't know right now. But problem is when there are several options and there are several questions present over here. You want to travel? Next question. I'm just giving you an example to understand the meaning and the need of combo box, right? So do you want to travel? Are you hungry? So you have seen that answers of all these four questions, they can be yes, they can be no, or it might be in between yes and no. But the problem is there might be several other answers, but you want to make an answer which is close-ended, not open-ended. You want to have an answer in between three options. What I have told you was yes, no, or don't know. You don't want your audience to make a larger answer. For that purpose, all options must be present over here. So now for that purpose, we will create a combo box. For that purpose, as you know that we are using mobile version and Google Sheets are being opened. Here there are three dots. You will be clicking it, and when you will click it, you will see an option of data validation. Please note it down. Three dots and then data validation. I'm going to click it, and then I have three options. Look, the first one is automatically selected because we were on the same cell, and then you have several options over here. But since your answers are close-ended, not open-ended, so you will choose list of items. This we have selected list of items. Where it was, you can see at the start of the first option was list of items. Now you will add your items. First answer you want to make yes, second answer you want to make no, or third answer you want to make don't know. Here we will correct the spellings. So in this way, these are three options, and the next step you will go over here, save. So you will save it. Now please note it down. These options are present over here. So instead of making your audience in confused situation, like what kind of answer you want, you have made a close-ended combo box, where combo means there are several answers, or there is a combination of several answers. As you have clicked it, you can see that option number one yes, then no, and don't know are already appearing, which we have entered previously. Obviously your audience will select any one of these. Let's say I am going to click yes, so just clicking yes, answer is over there. So instead of, look here, there is no option available. So what your audience will do, they will write an open-ended answer, a paragraph, an explanation. So instead of explanation, you want to have only close-ended answers. Now you will copy from here and will paste in front of other. So in this way you have got all other options as well. Here you need, if anybody wants to change it, just write the answer which he wants, or at the start just make copy and paste it. So options of combo box are available at all cells. So if somebody wants to answer, simply he will click yes, happy. You want to travel, yes. Oh, again, okay, are you hungry? Then let's say you want to give an answer of no. So here there are different questions, but answers of these questions you want to have close-ended. Just small answer, simple yes and no. So in this way guys, we have learned how to create combo box in Excel, but keep it in mind, it is mobile in Google Sheet. So where whatever buttons I have informed or the method has been informed, this is pure and specifically for mobile users and for Google Sheets. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Please do practice as many times as you can. And if you see anything difficult, you are very welcome to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly contact. So thank you very much. See you again. Allah Hafiz.